Howdy, my name's Mia, and I'm a class of 28 kinesiology major from Austin, Texas.
Howdy, my name's Alisa. I'm class of 28 and I'm a business management major from Round Rock, Texas.
So we were suitemates. So the AC issue was in their room, but then we had something wrong with our bathroom too. And that was the one we shared. So we were both moved out of our dorm rooms into like temporary spaces. And Emil was always there kind of like helping us through the whole process of like when we could expect to be back in our room, what was going on with the room.
And then he mentioned how he was hiring people, and so that's kind of how that came to be, and we decided to apply.
It's a lot of like walking through the dorms, making sure that everything looks the way it's supposed to, doing like inspections of different things, and there's always like an odd task here or there, like a mattress needs to be replaced, or maybe go make sure a TV's not falling off the wall. It's always something different every day, and you never really know what to expect.
Such a good environment. I love everyone here, and we're always in groups. Like, it's always teamwork stuff. So I don't know, I really like being in a team and like working with other people. I just find it more enjoyable. I would definitely say something I learned from this job so far is leadership roles, and when we're in team situations, like someone usually has to lead in that group and make sure everyone stays on task.
You really learn how to adapt to situations quickly and just do the best with like what you have.
We try our best to make sure everyone feels like it's a home that they are living for a year or more, and we just want to make sure it's like the best that we can make it be for them, and hope they feel comfortable and like welcomed here.
Don't be afraid to tell us if there's something wrong. We are here to help you. Like, that is our job. If your mattress is too high or it's ripped, like, tell us.
We will try our hardest to make sure you feel welcome and like you have a good home.